2 GitHub Repos. 2 completely different worlds. 1 builds. 1 plays. Both worth your install. Neither needs your credit card. Lock-in. First, Open Design. 59,000 stars. A local-first alternative to Claude Design. Native desktop app. 142 design systems. 259 skills. Apache licensed. Forked nearly 7,000 times. You clone the repo. You run npm install. You design without renting a subscription. But the real reveal. Open Design treats design as a file system. Your skills are folders. Your design systems are markdown files. Your agents read them. They write them. They remix them. No cloud upload. No SaaS subscription. Claude Code. Cursor. Codex. Hermes. 21 coding agents already on your laptop. They become the design engine. You stay in control. The exports. HTML. PDF. PowerPoint. MP4. Live dashboards. Static decks. Hyperframe motion graphics. All from one prompt. All shaped by your design.md. The brand contract you write once. The agent obeys forever. 59,000 stars on GitHub. 6,600 forks. Apache 2.0. Fully open. No telemetry. No lock-in. The community already voted. Now you decide if you join them. Now, pivot. From AI design to AI nothing. Just 12 years of quiet code. The kind of project no influencer hypes. Built in 2014. Still updated in 2025. You probably never heard of it. You probably need it. Borderless Gaming. C#. GPL v2. 6,400 stars. The problem. You play your favorite Steam title windowed. You Alt-Tab to Discord. You Alt-Tab to Chrome. You lose 3 seconds and your focus every time. The fix. Borderless Gaming turns any windowed game into a true full-screen window. 0 Alt-Tab penalty. 0 driver hacks. Just a clean style override the operating system already supports. The tech. It rewrites the game's window style. From regular window to always on top borderless. The mouse moves across monitors. The game stays maximized. Your Discord notifications still pop. Your Chrome tabs still scroll. Nothing intercepts your input. Nothing fights your driver. 6,400 stars. Active since 2014. Still releasing in 2025. 12 years of maintenance with no venture money. Just one developer. Andrew MD5. GPL v2 forever. 2 repos. Same lesson. The best open source isn't always trending. Open Design ships every week with 59,000 stars and 100 contributors. Borderless Gaming ships every few months with 6,000 stars and 1 maintainer. Both are free. Both are forked. Both are native to your operating system. Both run on your machine. Not somebody else's GPU. Not somebody else's cloud. Pick your fighter. Designing a brand deck. Hit Open Design. Need slides. Open Design. Need a product video. Open Design. Streaming Apex with Discord on the side. Hit Borderless. Playing any windowed PC game. Hit Borderless. Want both? Yes. Install both. They do not conflict. They do not compete. The free guide below has the exact clone commands. The exact build steps. The exact gotchas. Including the Visual Studio version for Borderless. Including the Node version for Open Design. Including which CLI to pair with which skill. Be fair. Open Design needs a decent GPU and CLI comfort. It is not a no-code tool yet. Borderless is Windows only. Linux and Mac gamers, sorry, not yet. Both have open issues. Read them first. Then star both repos before you forget. Star, clone, ship, free guide and links below. 2 repos. 1 week. No excuses. Subscribe at GPT AI Clips for the next install you didn't know you needed.